Did you know that kidney damage can be reversed naturally? In this video, we dive into the hopeful world of natural remedies that can rejuvenate your kidneys and restore their health. Kidney damage, a concern for millions worldwide, often conjures images of dialysis and rigorous medical treatments. However, reversing this damage through natural methods offers a beacon of hope. Today, we'll explore how natural remedies are both possible and viable options for many. Kidney damage can arise from a variety of sources, such as diabetes, high blood pressure, and chronic use of certain medications. As the side effects of conventional treatments and medications mount, more individuals are turning towards natural remedies to address their health issues without additional complications. Let's delve into the natural methods that can help reverse kidney damage. These changes not only improve overall health but directly benefit kidney function.
Dietary changes, emphasizing a diet low in sodium and processed foods, can significantly reduce kidney strain. Foods rich in antioxidants, like berries, and those high in omega-3 fatty acids, like fish, can also support kidney health. Herbal remedies, herbs such as dandelion root, nettle leaf, and turmeric have been noted for their renal protective properties. They help reduce inflammation and detoxify the kidneys. Lifestyle adjustments, regular exercise, adequate hydration, and quitting smoking are all crucial steps. These changes not only improve overall health but directly benefit kidney function. While natural methods can be effective, comparing them with traditional medical treatments is essential. Natural remedies often work best as preventive measures or in conjunction with medical treatment, especially in cases of severe kidney damage. Studies and holistic approaches suggest that integrating natural therapies can enhance recovery and maintenance of kidney health. The integration of natural remedies into kidney care plans has shown promising results in slowing down the progression of kidney damage and, in some cases, reversing it. Additionally, testimonials from individuals who have embraced these natural methods offer real-life affirmations of their effectiveness. Today, we've explored several natural avenues to reverse kidney damage potentially. Embracing these methods could improve kidney health and enhance overall well-being. If you found this information helpful, please like this video, subscribe for more health tips, and share your experiences or questions in the comments below. Let's foster a community of health and awareness together.